God. I won't change a thing about it because whatever it may be, bad or good, it's all given from God. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Why should we choose you tonight from the other contestant?
Okay. I don't need to convince either the judges or the audience that I deserve tonight, because the potential one is always the chosen one. Hard work that it should be done. And I'm doing my best in this pageant by wearing all the creative dressing which my designer has made and showing my God-given talent and the beauty. So seeing the contentment in everyone's eyes of my perfection shows that I deserve so much of the title today. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, TK Darshni.
Hello, ma'am.
You look beautiful with your white gown.
Thank you so much, and so you are.
Thank you. What is the role of public services in promoting women empowerment?
Speaking on the note of women empowerment, we women are already empowered to say, for instance, leading in the industrial world, entrepreneurship. Women are already empowered, and through the public services, we are even getting more. And to be honest, what I feel and what I believe today is we don't need the word empowered anymore, because we are already empowered. In the family, look, in this century, women are considered very high in the family, especially in the Christian family. We are kept at a higher status, so I don't feel like women should be empowered anymore, because we are already empowered by ourselves. Thank you so much.
My question here is, would you ever tell a small harmless lie for a good cause?
Yes, I will obviously tell a lie for a good cause, because if it is a good cause, it may not harm anybody. So instead of hurting anyone, if it is for a good cause, it's okay to lie. Thank you.
If I say pageant girls, beauty pageant are go-getters who strive to do a better job than average people, would you agree to this statement? If you say yes, you give me your reasons.
Obviously, I would agree that, because we, the beauty pageant, have each and every qualities a woman have. We are more, we can speak fluently, we can stand in front of everyone, walking the ramp, and we can do everything in front of everyone. Because a normal girl cannot do all this kind of stuff. So thank you.
After winning the pageant, how would you contribute in making Tamenglong more popular on the world map, and how would you contribute to the development of Tamenglong in general?
If I happen to win this contest, Orange Miss, then I would do anything to promote the orange growers, and I will respect them, I will motivate them, and I will also learn from them. And I will always pray to God that they get a good health, so that every year, and I will always hold my hand together with them, no matter what the circumstances is.
What is the greatest gift that you can give to someone?
Thank you for this beautiful question, sir. For me, the greatest gift would be my smile, because my smile can change someone who is unhappy and make that person smile, make that person happy. So I believe that my smile is the greatest gift that I can give to a person.
You will get, if you would be granted a wish to get an answer from any one person tonight, what would that question be, and to whom would you ask?
Thank you, sir, for your question. That question I will ask to my lovely mom, because she will give me the honest answer. Thank you.
The question, I'm asking about quality, one quality in you which you are proud of.
I'm loving, and I want everyone to be.
What is your vision for Tamenglong?
Thank you for the answer. Tamenglong people, they are a very, very sweet people, and they have a very, very good hospitality. And you know, my vision is I can see as a real, you know, the real loving people who have a pure and good heart. So that when I go back to Infal or when I go back to anywhere, any other place, I will tell that Tamenglong people is a really, really good people and who have a good heart. Thank you.
finale is contestant number 6 and Selena Chano. Contestant number 8 Helen Kamai. Contestant number 11 Selena Saikom. All the top 5 finalists will be given same question, and you will be given 3 minutes maximum time to write it down the answer, after which the written round. The best designer of the 15th state level orange Queen Contest 2018 is Nyopi Chongloy. The designer of Miss Nayoching Chongloy, contestant number 14.
Hello everyone, this is Sangeeta Diam, the reading Miss Orange Queen 2017.
Queen Contest 2018 to walk down the ramp. As the top 5 finalists line up the stage, cash prize of 60,000, a glittering crown, and citation. Congratulations, TK Darshini. The first runners-up is contestant number 6, and Selena Chano. Will be awarded by Lumgai Liupan Mai, the first runners-up of the Orange Screen Contest 2017. Citation. Contestant number 6, and Selena Chanu, first runners-up 2018 Orange Screen Contest. Shall we all give her a big hand? The Orange Screen 2018 gets to the 15th state level Orange Screen 2018 is none other than the contestant number 11, Shalina Shaikom. And the Queen of 2017, Sangeeta Thiam, will crown. Congratulations! She will be awarded, the Queen will be awarded with a cash prize of 1,20,000 rupees, a glittering crown, and citation.